Oh no, I got it.
This is where it comes in handy to have too. There we go. Wow. Really have hands for patience. So we're going to pick that up. Everybody ears right there. And that's going to have a little bit of weight. See how you try to pick that other one up. See how heavy it is? All right, now just kind of flip it to its side. No. Like it's just like this. Flip it up here. Like I had this one. You got a hold of it right here. You got a good grip. All you do is just pick it up where you can look at it like that. Okay. A little heavy? All right, get a good grip on it. Where you can
Get it where you can
all right, now
roll it up.
Now, if you have to, just lay here. There you go. Now, what are we looking at? Exactly. That's honey. Yeah. That's a lot of it. Yeah, they're packing. They get packing it in. And this is what do I call this stuff here? Raw honey. It'll look once they get the moisture content down, it'll be good. What's the other side look like? Now, the way the other side, when you're holding it, all you do is you've got a good grip, right? Just flip it like that.
It's in there.
Yep. See, that's a pool. Now that's kind of older looking because it's dark. If that had been brand new, fresh honey, it'd get all white. All right, now we'll set this to the side here. And go ahead and pull get that one. Or yeah, the lighter colored one. All right, use your hive tool. I'm helping get that out.
He's got to get some smaller gloves. Oh, you got to hold it on the end, son.
Always hold them on the end.
Honey and nice fruit, right?
Yep.
All right, now what do we have there?
Honey and brood.
Okay, when you're looking at these, this is what we're going to get. This is a nice little device. Pull them out. But you see the way. First, if you see the honey on the honey, then you'll see. A lot of times you'll see pollen, and that's what you want to see. That moon. Remember I passed the sheet around. That's what you want to look at.
Yeah, that's
so we got.
Inevitable. You want to do a hive, you're going to kill something.
All right, now.
You don't want to, like, the hive's very strong. They'll pour up on the top.
That's how you get them out?
This is.
It makes them a little easier to pick up, too.
Definitely.
Yeah.
We invested in one of them this year.
Yep.
They've got several of them, but this particular model is a lot more comfortable. They got something made out of like a wire and stuff.
How much do you think those would cost?
Around 15. I wouldn't pay more than that, you know. If you look, see the larva in there? Springtime, that's what you want to see. Again, yeah. Notice we still got that.
So you don't change the bottom board or nothing out for the winter?
No. He's got a screen bottom board in here. I got beekeeper friends in Upper Michigan. They keep it open all winter long. You know, we're talking sub-zero temperatures, and they don't for months on end. They just make it. In fact, I think they don't have near the trouble we have. Because once when winter sets in, it's there until spring. You know, they might get 1 or 2 days, or it might thaw out a little bit. Now, do you think we have a queen here?